Hanesyddol, cyfoes a lliwgar.
Totally magical. Incredible, actually.
Oedd e'n rhywbeth real o goriad llyged, rhywbeth newydd.
The way that the stories were threaded together, it was very clever, very unique really.
I thought it was incredible. It was really well done. I liked the difference in ages as well.
Opera is an incredible art form because it's very passionate. I think you can tell stories and emotions really strongly. And with subject matter like this, where you've got some very difficult stories and some difficult issues, I think what the librettists have managed to do is create these characters that really are very powerful.
Na beth o'n i'n really mwynhau, with y ffact oedd y cymeriadau'r cast yn canu leins, o'n nhw'n clasio yn erbyn ei gilydd. Erbyn diwedd, oedd rhyw heddwch yn dod at ei gilydd, a harmonies yn morio at ei gilydd. Oedd e fel pobl yn tynnu at ei gilydd, ond mewn cerddoriaeth, oedd e'n gripping.
Can't imagine someone coming and not enjoying it. So why not do something different with your day? Byddwn ni'n awgrymu mewn fawr na'r gymell ei bawb. Os mae neges y bawb, whatever.